So my parents lost our childhood home to the HOA.
After watching 7 videos and having to do a little bit of my own research, I think I have the cliff notes for y'all. Basically, years ago, the HOA sent her parents a violation for having a commercial vehicle parked at their home. The dad refused to pay the $150 fine for it and refused to move the vehicle, so the HOA stopped accepting their payment for dues until everything could be paid in full. Her dad sued the HOA, and the HOA ended up winning a counterclaim. The HOA, which is the Lake Olympic Civic Association, won another court case on July 17, 2020, which stated that her mom owed the HOA $18,789 plus fees. These were fees for unpaid dues, legal costs, etc., and this was never paid either, so their home was foreclosed on, went to auction, and was purchased November 21 by an LLC. Now here's where it gets tricky. She says the HOA gave them a notice for having stuff on the lawn and that the HOA put their stuff on the lawn. I don't believe that's what happened, and I think she may be confused. HOAs have no rights to go into homes and take items, and I think the yellow notice is actually from the city stating that the items need to be removed. The LLC that now owns the home threw all of their stuff on the lawn, so the city put a notice on the door stating trash cannot be in public view, not the HOA. Either way, her mom is now living with her and the dad she admitted is a con artist and lied about the status of the lawsuit to his wife throughout these last years. Okay, bye.
That was a really excellent, concise synopsis of what happened. I feel bad for the daughter and the mom, who got duped. Ultimately, compliance is the key. Just follow the rules. And when you get letters and notices and the HOA is asking you to do something, do it. Comply, pay the fines, move on with your life. Don't fight it. When you start getting letters from attorneys and getting dragged in the courts and stuff like that, it's probably not going to be a good time for you. I feel bad for the daughter and the mom, and these things happen all the time. And it is the way HOAs are set up. It is the way the law is set up. They're set up that way for a reason. If you don't like it, don't live in an HOA. And if you do live in an HOA, just comply. Just comply with it, because when you bought that property, you signed a legal contract accepting those documents and acknowledging that you would follow those rules and guidelines. So don't be upset when you're held accountable to those documents that you signed. Say, oh, I didn't read them, because who reads them? Well, you didn't read them, now you lost your house.